Hello and welcome to my channel Daily Life. Today we're gonna prepare a new recipe called chocolatey. We're gonna need almost half a cup of shredded coconut. Also we're gonna need 1 cup of walnut, 1 cup of dates, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla, salt, pinch of salt, 2 to 3 spoons of cocoa, and milk. Milk, probably we need almost half a cup according to our needs. So the first thing that you need to put dates in the mixer. There is no specific order to add your ingredients. You can just put everything all together and make sure to blend them all well together. And by the way, my friends, I tried in here a couple of times before I reached to my texture. So if you would see the texture is dry, you can add more milk. So in this video I added more milk, around half of cup. So it depends on your texture that you will get later in after you mix everything. And now here I will mix all the ingredients together. I will use the mixer. I'll mix them well until I get a creamy texture, a creamy where I can spread it on bread at least. You can see in here. So in here I used walnuts because they are so healthy. Walnut supports weight control. They can lower blood pressure, decrease inflammation in our bodies, and they are really full of omega-3, which is very important to our bodies. And I created this recipe to my younger son who likes to eat sweets every day. So instead of eating sugar, refined sugar, this is a way to give him healthy snack and kind of like candy snack. So I liked it and I'm using it to my kids and at my home. I hope you would like it. I refilled jars and I'm gonna put them in the fridge. So I filled 2 jars in here and they are ready to go to the fridge, and you can use them anytime, breakfast wise or snack wise. Here I'm gonna spread a spoon of chocolatey recipe on a piece of bread. I want to show you how I prepared a healthy snack to my son. So instead, as I said earlier, instead of eating let's say sugar, I'm giving him dates and I'm giving him walnuts and I'm giving him coconut. I added some carrots, baby carrots, to his plate, and raspberry. I gave him milk, so it's kind of like a snack full of all the nutritions that he needs. Okay, so you can prepare this sandwich or plate to your child anytime. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you liked my recipe chocolatey. Thank you for watching, friends. See you next time.